Show the peoples at home where you're at right now with your game.
All right, this is how I skip.
Okay. What is happening, YouTube family? Welcome back to the vlog slash tutorial. Today we've got a special one for you, man. We're working with cameraman extraordinaire, Mr. Nathan.
Good morning.
Yeah, I was waiting for you to say
what's up. Good morning, everybody.
All right. Listen, people, it's gonna be a really short, sharp one quickly because like now and then I see Nathan pick up the rope here and there on the sidelines when we're setting up and we're getting ready to do these boss tutorials. And I've seen his form needs a little bit of work right now. We're gonna work on his double unders today. I know a lot of you at home will get a lot of value from this, especially if you're in the same boat as Mr. Nathan here. But where do you think you are? Like out of 10, 1 out of 10, where do you think your double unders are?
1 out of 10.
No, they're a bit better than that. But
Two out of 10.
2 out of 10. All right, we're gonna get all the gear set up. We're gonna get him to at least the 5 or 6. We're gonna get him doing some cool stuff, I'm sure, in the next kind of 5-6 minutes. All right, let's get the gear. I reckon we're gonna set you up with round mat.
Oh, I thought you meant camera gear.
All right, you're gonna have round mat. I'm gonna go with the big mat. Okay. All right, you stick to the camera stuff.
I'll do camera stuff.
I'll do this stuff. Ghost rope, money rope performance. All right, we're going in hard, people. Get an angle set up just for this easy tutorial. Editor Nathan wants to make sure we get some hard angles for you.
Always, bro.
Love that. And you guys can get up and personal with how I train clients and how we can get the best out of a dead-end situation where some people think they ain't got the skills, but we're gonna unleash the skills. Right, Nathan?
Yes, unleash the skills.
Right, you gotta think positive vibes. You got a vision that you can do this. You can like picture it happening. All right, people, before we get into this tutorial, I'm probably not gonna show it on camera, but we're just gonna make sure Nathan's rope is sized correctly. I'll mention it a little bit on the tutorial because it is really important. Remember, you have to make sure that the rope is just simply clipping the ground, right? When you're ready to start skipping, your double unders are gonna suffer if your rope is too long, especially if it's too short. And we'll go into a little bit of detail, but I don't wanna go into too much. We're just gonna size him up very quickly right now. Check this out, people, man. Investing in the gear. Today we've got this little kind of like dual, what's this called?
It's just a dual mic setup, bro.
Dual mic. I'm just really gassed about it. It just looks really cool. So now we can use the same camera. We can get the audio into the same camera, both of us. We're mic'd up. So hopefully the sound sounds crisp. It's the first time we're trying it. We're both on the same audio channel. I don't want to bore you, but hopefully it's gonna be right?
Should be.
Okay. If it's not, then sorry. Another quick message. We're not going to do a full warm up. Sorry, Nathan. He's fit and healthy anyway. Make sure if you're practicing this, right, you got to get warmed up, get a bit of blood flowing, do some simple basic bounce. Yeah, a few stretches. We just want to get this video out. I'm going to share with you the techniques, okay? That's all we're doing. So we're not going to go take you through the warm-up procedures right now. That'll be another video. Bro, when's the last time you actually even, I can never imagine you even...
Limbered up, yeah?
Yeah.
just stretching these, what are these muscles, the back ones?
Yeah, hamstrings.
Yeah, the hamstrings, yeah.
Just, you want to do a few like little ankle spinny rolly things.
Just a little...
Yeah, that's it.
Squat, yeah?
That's it.
All right, I think I'm ready.
All right, let's do this.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
All right, you're live on YouTube. Wait, do I do the intro still? Should we do it?
I'm kind of lost, bro.
Do you want to do the intro? Sunglasses?
Yeah, give me them. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here.
Why are you shouting? They're just there.
That's what you should do.
Oh, do I shout as well?
Yeah.
Right then. Oh, you Karen. Sorry. You Karen. As you wish.
What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here,
Rushy, yes.
AKA the Jump Rope Coach, and welcome back to another video. Today we are teaching me, Nathan, how to do double unders.
We are.
You can have these back.
That was brilliant. All right. We're gonna get straight into this, people. Drop a like for this big man here. He's gonna be putting himself out there. We're gonna see some cool skills for sure, but it might be a little bit rusty at the beginning. But we're gonna get you doing double unders, bruv.
Hopefully.
Right. So at the moment, he hasn't been really able to do the double unders. He can do a few crosses. I'll tell you what, let's get you on camera right now. This is your rope. We'll talk about the sizing and everything, right, people, very quickly, because it's not a sizing video, it's a double under video. But let's show the peoples at home where you're at right now with your game.
All right, this is how I skip.
Okay. How's that length? Sound good, right?
I think that's good.
Yeah, so carry on for a second. So quickly on sizing, right, what I like about this, peeps, is the rope is only clipping the ground just in front of his feet. You can hear like it's not a harsh impact. So we know he's already sized up. So when it comes to double unders, when it comes to you practicing and make sure you guys get this right, did you try to bust a crossover there?
I did, yeah, I got one.
Right, when it comes to doing your double unders, just make sure that this rope is only clipping the floor, all right? If it's not clipping the floor, right, it's a little bit maybe short for you, or your techniques need to change. So if you're out here, we're gonna bring you out here, or in here, And Nathan, you're already in, the elbows are in, he's watched a few tutorials, he's recorded a few, he knows how to skip properly, right? Okay, first things first, okay? When you're trying to learn your double unders, I want you guys to remember that there's a couple of things involved. Speed of your wrist, right? Timing of your wrists. They're the two things you need to know. Don't worry about jumping just yet. We want you to focus on getting the timing of the snap of the wrist. So right now, bruv, what I want you to do is, I want you to feel like when you're doing your sort of normal bounce, yeah? You're just going to take a lighter jump, like a slightly higher jump, and you're just going to snap the wrist. 1, 2, yeah? So what it's going to look like is this. So don't worry about the jump height just yet. We're just worried about the wrist. Normal skipping here, and then when you're ready, just snap the wrist. Yeah?
Okay.
So you can count yourself down.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Almost. So there, right? If you can hear the sound, hopefully, the sound didn't have the little swoosh swoosh that we need. So at the moment, you're kind of getting into it. We want you to feel like, you hear that first jump needs to have the snap.
Little.
Yeah.
Okay.
So feel like those wrists, let go of those wrists, jump, 1, 2 with the wrist. How smooth was that? That was so smooth, I didn't even realize did you even realize he did it?
Flex there though.
No, but this is good. So we're not worried about the jump right now, but already that was sick. What was that, the second time you tried it?
Yeah.
That could be a record for someone that I've seen do a natural, very smooth double under, right? With minimal flex. So let's just do that one more time, but this time what I want you to feel like is you go a little bit faster with your wrist, yeah? A little bit more swoosh.
Okay.
Don't be scared. Don't worry about the jumping, just let the wrist go. Beautiful, beautiful. And again. This is actually, this is epic, people. Nice, good. I reckon he's already pretty much like 50% of the way there. Most people when they start, peeps, here is like they actually jump really high and then they go crazy with their arms. And Nathan, what you're doing now is beautiful because he's actually really smooth with his rotations. And you can see like when he's jumping at the moment, there is, yeah, a little bit of a flex in the knees, which we're gonna sort out in a second. But it's just, that's just the sound of the rope. So that's what you lot want to get to, is listen to the sound of your rope. I've got loads of tutorials on like listening to sounds, but let's hear it again. Beautiful. It's so smooth and effortless. That's how you need to get to. That's the point you need to get to, just listening to the sound of the rope and making it smooth. Big up, that was sick.
Thank you.
How's it feel though? Feels effortless.
It feels smoother on the wrist. I can hear the little double whoosh.
Yes, and that's the thing. So you get that feeling because the first jump, when you come into the double under, that first jump needs to happen right when the rope is by your feet.
Right.
So it gives you a lot of time to jump, and then the rope's already around you again.
Yeah.
What most beginners will do is like they'll just like literally jump too early. So they'll jump like out here, and then they struggle to get back down. So
effectively, they're focusing on the first jump too much.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. And I think what you've already done naturally is you keep jumping. So that's why I got him to sort of jump natural here, just so he's and then when he's ready, just let go of the wrist. So that's that done. Now he's started to get into a habit naturally, which everyone does. It's just a tiny flex. So now the heels are starting to face a little more backwards.
Right.
What we want is we want to feel like your toes are facing down. So you take off with a straighter leg. You hear that feel? So imagine you're going for a header. If I chuck you the ball, how would you header the ball? Yeah. So you see your legs there. You got kind of, that's it, like that. So get that feeling when you are jumping now, is that your toes, the feel you want is the toes face the ground.
Right.
Yeah. So let's have a go at that. So
okay.
A good drill with this is I'm going to get you to jump higher, but 1 revolution only.
So just one revolution.
One revolution, and you're just going to jump like this. So it's going to go like that.
Okay.
So yeah, the rope's going to go around slower.
Right.
But you're just going to focus on those toes now, pointing downwards.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's all right. But now you got to control the wrist a little bit more. So it's only one revolution. Good. Yeah. So you see now, guys, his toes here. You feel that? You feel your heels coming up higher, but your toes facing down.
They're pointing down.
Yeah. So now you got no flex. Obviously, you're only doing 1 revolution. So now you're going to try and implement that drill with the flick of the wrist.
Okay.
Let's go. Yeah, remember, so the wrists need to go. There's a better jump.
Wrists.
Better jump.
Focus on the jump then.
Right now we're focusing on both.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Don't flex it too much. Remember, toes down. Yeah.
That was close.
Right, so at the moment, he's doing the right jump. He's kind of getting the right jump, but he's not getting the rope around quick enough with that wrist. So let's go back to our first jump, the first drill. Just little swoosh. And jump for that header. Much better. There we go. Yes.
I'm moving around a lot.
Good, good. Okay. All right. He's there. All right. So that's a really good drill. And the final thing he's doing, the final point of the video, this is going to be a really nice quick video for you guys. Naturally, when he's trying to do more double unders, he's kind of pushing, you feel yourself pushing back.
Yeah, it's coming towards the back of the mat.
Yeah. So what we're going to do now is we're going to feel like you're going to embrace your core a little bit more, but you're going to feel like you're pushing forward with your body. Yeah. So what that helps you do is you feel like you're kind of pushing forward like this. It's quite a weird feeling.
Right.
Feel like it gives you like a little bit of a...
see you arching a little bit from this way.
So that little bend, guys, is going to make sure that you push this way, especially if you're backwards, which is a natural thing that beginners do. And we're going to get you doing maybe 2 in a row, maybe 3 in a row.
Am I allowed to skip in between or not?
Yeah, skip in between, but I want you to try and do multiples.
Clean.
Yeah.
Okay.
So feel like you're pushing forward. Let's try that little drill quickly now. Yeah, remember the wrists need to go. You need to trust those wrists. Fire them. Good. Yeah. No, that was good.
Getting a bit confident there.
That's all right. Keep pushing yourself forward. Doing well, man. He's doing well. Good. No flex. That was good wrist though. Much better. Nice.
I'm trying to like almost hurry it up too much.
Yeah.
Trying to like focus on the next one.
Yeah. That's one thing. Like when you start, before we even get into multiples, this is a beginner tutorial, right? So getting the multiples, getting 2s and 3s and 4s is gonna be difficult. But when you're finishing that double under, it's nice that you just kind of get yourself set. Like, so you have a little rhythm. So it's like, then 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, and then you want to feel like you're kind of pushing that weight forward a little bit. Yeah.
One more go.
One more go. Good. Nice. Bit more straighter leg. Much better. You see, so I think in time it's going to come.
Definitely feels a lot cleaner than when I first started.
But listen, that was a really quick one, man, because you guys can see like you can get these done smoothly. You've seen by Nathan's techniques as well. Like he's not going super quick with the rope. You don't feel like you're exerting a lot of power.
No.
Yeah,
not compared to what I see you doing in the tutorials.
No, exactly. So you don't need to stress it with the arms. You don't need to stress it with the jumps. You don't need to bend down really like crazy. So that was good, bruv.
Thank you, man.
How's it like being on YouTube, man?
Well, it's weird being on your YouTube channel, and it's weird being in front of these cameras.
This guy's a boss. He does all the edits. Give him some love. Drop a like. Drop a little comment for him, man.
Appreciate that.
He's got some skills.
Thank you, bro.
He got some skills. I'll tell you what.
Can I just check the cameras?
Yeah, go check the cameras. Guys, I'm gonna do the outro right now. Say bye from there, actually, if you want. They can hear you anyway.
See you later.
Peoples, hope you enjoy this style of video. Remember, like, let me know, man. Like, I love your feedback. Got on board. We want to try and improve the content, the value, what you guys get out of this channel. So, thank you to at home, making this possible, helping us grow as always, supporting us busy, hopping your ropes. Use those links down below if you're new to the channel. Subscribe button, grab it, and start flying, boss. So I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself. Let's get the treadmill. Stay.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.